My name's Bruce MacDonald and I studied product design at GSA. So this was my self-initiated project. It's called Recrafted. So it was about the waste materials that are produced within craft-based industries. And for this project I was working specifically with a bagpipe manufacturer based in Glasgow to try and repurpose the waste materials they produced. So there was two key waste materials. One was a kind of sawdust, like wood flour, and the other was plastic shavings, and both those waste materials come from turning the bagpipes on the lathe. So by going through a long kind of experimentation process with the materials, I was able to come up with a few solutions from more craft-based through to quite high-end and engineered, so return it to the client with a few options for repurposing their waste. The materials do have applications out with piping, but I try to suggest ones that they could carry on themselves within the context of their own business, so it kind of closes the loop on their manufacturing process. And then, having kind of gone through this process myself, I knew that it was an approach that could be applied to different industries. So then that kind of subsequently became the Recrafted brand. It's almost like a service proposal for how this approach could be applied to different craft-based industries. Yeah, so I think the main focus for presenting the projects was to make them kind of clearly understandable. So obviously there's a lot of research that went into both projects. I mean, both projects were a few months long, so there's a kind of lot of background to both projects. But I know within the kind of exhibition context that like people don't really get to spend too long looking around each project, especially on opening night. It's you know, maybe a brief kind of read over everything. So I just wanted to make the process I'd gone through quite clear. So for the self-initiated project, I tried to make the service map more image-based with illustrations and so on, just to make my process more understandable. And then the samples are kind of placed where they happened in the process. So you've got the raw materials at the start and then the kind of final outcomes at the end. And then it was much the same approach for the other project. Obviously there's kind of a lot of background to the project, especially with the machine learning aspect of it, but tried to make that storyboard three-dimensional so that the people that were looking at it could get a feel for how the store might look and how the kind of the user moves through the space, to kind of acquire this understanding of their taste. And then, you know, the artifacts that's situated behind that, they can then kind of make that connection as to where they sit within the service or the experience. So it's really the goal, just to make it kind of clearly understandable and more visual, I guess.